Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to see how to make Rebirth system. My videos are going to be short as it takes a lot of time to upload in Camtasia and I want to upload daily videos. So yeah, so let's start the video. In the last video we saw the tapping system right here. So now let's add a Rebirth frame in the main UI. Name this Rebirth frame. Oh, by the way, press Alt plus X to hide the Explorer if you want. I'm going to keep the anchor point to 0.5, 0.5. And let's keep the menu this big, yeah. Position 0.5. Oops, I mean 0.50. 0.50. Yeah, that's aligned to the center. Now let's add a UI corner to make it look better. I'll set the corner radius 0.1. Yeah, actually 0 is better. So I'm gonna set the background color to something dark, like, yeah, that's good. So let's add a title here. And add a UI corner here. I'll keep the background a little less darker. Yeah. And text scale. I like the font Peruka one. You can use any font you want. And I'll keep the name to Rebirth and text color to white. So that's looking good. Now we're gonna add a frame here. Rebirth 1. Actually, let's add a UI list layout. Oh wait, I think let's delete this. Add a scrolling frame here and name it. Yeah, don't name it anything. So keep the scrolling frame a little down of title so that the rebirth frames do not touch the title button or it would look bad, you know. As the background transparency to 0, border size pixel to 0, and I want to keep this bar a little thin. To go here, scroll bar thickness I'll keep to 8. So yeah, now here we can add a UI list layout, not grid layout, sorry. And I'm gonna add a frame here. That can, as you can see, it already aligned it. So let me name this rebirth 1. And see, as you can see, you cannot move it because the UI is out. Try to scale it a bit like this. And I want to add some padding, so let me see. Oh no, that's a little too. 0.3. No, 0.07. By the press control plus D to duplicate. 0.04. So let's scale the scrolling frame a little like this. Yeah. Uh, Keep this 0.01. Yeah, that's better. Actually, you know what? Let's try add a UI grid layout. So Y, let's keep it to 100. Actually 50. Yeah. And the X a little bit more, obviously 20. Yeah, that's perfect. Now if we add another one, yeah, you can see it's perfectly aligning. Now here, let's keep the background color to something darker. That's good. And let's add a UI corner here and a text label which will show the amount of rebirths and the price. First, let's add a number value named price here. And another number value named rebirth. One, and I'll keep the price to like 20 clicks for this video. You can give it however you want. I'm going to keep the background transparency to 1. X scale. And let's just keep a default text. And font I'll keep Sarupa 1. And yeah, white text. And make a buy button here. Make a text button. Name it buy. And name this what do you name it anything. I'm gonna name it, actually I'm just gonna leave it a text label. Keep this buy button here and make it a little smaller. I'm gonna set the background color to green for the buy button. Text scale buy shadow power and text color to white. Actually, this looks good. Let me just add a UI corner. For this, I'm gonna keep the corner radius to 0.3. Yeah, you can keep it however you want. So now, wait, first let's add a rebirth value towards it here. Number value, rebirth. Now let's add a local script. With the pen, the mouse button one click. So when the buy button is clicked, this will happen. So if the player has a greater player.leader stats, the tap value is equal to or greater than if the parent.price value. Yeah. Oh wait, let's first define the player. Local player equals to player local player. Yeah, so this means that if the tap value of the player is greater than or equal to the price value, which is 20, then this will happen. So player.leader stats the rebirth value will be increased by strip the parent rebirth value. So the rebirth value of the player will be increased by the rebirth value of this value, which is 1 for now. And I'll keep the script, I'll increase the cost. If parent dot price dot value, let's multiply it by 2. So it will be equal to that the value multiplied by 2. And also script the parent dot text equals to success so that if the user presses the button and has greater tap value than the price, then text will be success for 1 second and then it will be buy again. Else, if the player does not satisfy this requirement, then Script the parent dot text equals to uh, not enough apps, and script the parent dot background color 3 will be equal to color 3 from RGB, and let's choose a red color. I'll go with this. And wait one. So after 1 second, the text will again be by, and the background color will be what's the background color? Yeah. So let's copy this. Okay. So I guess let's try it. Wait. The text label. Let's add a local script. Script.parent.text equals to actually while wait do. So this will loop forever. So script.parent.text will be equal to what's the default tags. So script.parent rebirth value, which is 1, and then if you want to add a string to it, you have to put two dots and add the string. Rebirth. Let's add a space here too. And script.parent dot price dot value, which is 20 tabs. Yeah, so let's go try it. Wait, I forgot to make an open button. The text button, open, rebirth. Let's add a local script here. The current mouse button once is connect function. When the button is clicked, script.parent rebirth frame. It will be visible. Wait. Actually, if the frame is visible, then it will not be visible. And if it is not visible, then it will be visible like this. So not means actually the opposite of this value. So yeah, I guess let's try it. I'll customize the button later. So let's hide this and play. So first of all, let's test the output. Yeah, it's okay. And see, we got the reverse value here. This works. Look at this. See, not enough taps. And let's get 20 taps. Now it's fine. Oh, I forgot to reset the taps value. I'm sorry, my bad. Player dot leader stats taps dot value equals to 0. Try it again. So we have 0 taps in reverse. We got 22 taps. Let's buy it. And as you can see, we got vulnerable 0 taps, and the price increased to 40. So yeah, now let's try getting 20 taps. Second, as you can see that the price doubled. Now we got 42 clicks, buy, and see it doubles. So yeah, and actually Let's add a multiplier here in the clicks button. This equals to 1 into player dot zero stat dot reverse dot value plus 1. Because if the player has 0 reverse, then it will just multiply it by 0 and then the player won't get any tax. So yeah, let's try the multiplier. And I have 0 rebirth, so the taps are increasing by 1. Let me just buy 1 rebirth. And as you can see, I'm getting 2 taps now. And now I'm getting 3 thread. That's it for the video. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope this helped you. So yeah, peace.